Hey, fifth graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and we're going to look at what happens if you get just a decimal, no whole number, a decimal divided by a whole number, like this. 64 hundredths divided by 4. We're actually going to take a peek at what that looks like with base 10 so we can get the understanding and connect it on to our algorithm, which is long division, right? Which really we have to have the long division algorithm hammered out by 6th grade. So in 5th grade, we start looking at it and practicing it, but 6th grade is when you have to have it mastered. All right, so here we go. 64 hundredths. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 60, as in 60 hundredths, otherwise known as 6 tenths, right? Same thing. So that's this part. And then the 4 hundredths, that's this part right there, right? So we've got 64 hundredths, and we have to split it equally into 4 groups. Remember, division's all about making equal shares or fair shares. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 groups right here. And our first move would be to see how many of these tenths can go into the groups, right? So let's start by putting 1 tenth into each group. Now, can I keep going, or do I have to stop right here? I don't have enough to put 1 into each group, so actually I have to stop right there. So let's take a look at what that would look like here on our long division. So we had 4 groups and 64 hundredths, and we were able to split out 1, 2, 3, 4 of those tenths, right? And then how many went into each group? We were able to put 1 into each group. So 1 would go right here. And it's already a tenth, so I'm going to put my decimal on there. So we used up 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did that 4 times. So I'm going to write that there. Now 6 tenths minus 4 tenths is 2 tenths. Do you guys see that we still have 2 tenths right here? I don't know if you can hear my dogs, but they're playing very wildly in the background, so I apologize in advance. Okay, so we've got our 2 tenths right here and our 2 tenths right here. Okay, so now we still need to split these into groups, but we can't do it when they're stuck together like this. So we are going to bring down this 4, right? And we're going to bring these into play, and we're going to call it 24 hundredths. So we've got to switch these tenths. We're going to swap them for these. So I put out, there's 20 of these. Just trust me. Okay, there's the 20 that I just put out, and then we still had 4. So that's why we have 24 hundredths now. So now we're going to split 24 hundredths into 4 groups. So let's see, would each group get more than 5 or less than 5? I like to just start with that. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so we know each group's going to get more than 5. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Just going to take a shortcut around. There we go. Now we still have to put those in, right? So we've got to go, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we've got 4 left and 4 groups, so perfect. 1 more slides into each group. And now we have an equal share. Every group has the same amount. So we've got a tenth, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundredths, right? So we have 6 hundredths in each group. 1 tenth and 6 hundredths. 1 tenth and 6 hundredths. And we used up 24 of them. So in each of the 4 groups, we were able to set out 6 of those hundredths. So 6 times 4, 6 times 4 is 24. And basically when you're subtracting out in long division, you're just saying, I've used it up. So we've used up all 24 and we've gotten to 0. And now our answer is in the group. So our answer is 16 hundredths, and each group is showing 110 and 6 hundredths, which makes 1600ths. All right, boys and girls, so when you are thinking about long division, think about what is actually happening and connect it into base 10 because really it's just moves in the base 10. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.